What's up, everybody? Jimmy back with you, Timeless Steel. Something different today. My buddy Daniel and his son picked up a 84 C4 Corvette, and it's his son Mason's first hot rod, and he paid for it himself. He's doing all the work himself. I helped him pick it up today, and we're just basically serviced all the fluids, the brakes. Got my neighbor Dennis here. There's Mason. Mason,
hey guys.
Are you excited?
I am so excited.
How do you feel about this car?
I think I got a steal on it. It's in great condition. Excited to see where it takes me.
What would you say you're going to do with this car?
I think that's yet to be decided.
Some sweet burnouts.
Some sweet burnouts.
Some sweet burnouts. Pick up some chicks. I don't know. It's pretty cool, man. 84 C4. Got all kinds of new parts in it. Brand new wheels and tires. These are American Racing 19s. Look pretty good on the car. It's got an early 90s teal that wasn't original. It's got a pretty cool crossfire injection, which was unique to this year Corvette.
So we need to clean them off.
These things are just cool, man. This was a huge amount of technology and advancement for cars, and GM spent a lot of money on these. And this thing is really cool because it's got that really sweet 80s electronic dash, and I tell you, I feel kind of like a small dude when I sit inside of it, but I don't know. When I was a kid, and when a lot of you were kids, remember that game, that arcade game that had the red Corvette with the chick's hair flapping in the background? That's what I've always liked these things, man. A lot of people think these are the worst Corvette. I think they're the best Corvette. If I was going to buy one, it would be a C4. He's got the original wheels and tires for it. It's just cool, and I have a feeling these cars are about to take off and become the next expensive thing like everything else in the 80s. But man, it actually sounds really good, runs great. Changed the transmission fluid, we changed the rear diff. It's got a brand new gasket and oil. We just bled the brakes, which had 1985 turkey gravy in them, I think. But if you guys watch Roadkill, this is the car they made the vet card out of. But man, this thing's in really good shape. You got a great deal on it. I think it's only got like 75,000 miles on it. And he paid for it himself, which I think is pretty cool. So, anyhow,
You talk about
say
the
goodbye.
paint at all?
Say what?
I said you talk about the paint at all?
No, go ahead. Tell him about the paint.
So it's paint. It's not the factory color.
Speak up. I can barely hear you.
This paint is not the factory color.
Yeah.
It's an original Corvette color, but they started offering it in 91, 92. So somebody had it repainted.
I think it's pretty sweet.
I love the color.
You don't see everything's a rental car now.
Yeah.
White, black.
It stands out, which
Yeah.
is what I like.
Yeah, it's cool, man. I'm excited for you.
Thanks.
I can't wait for you to drive it. You'll never forget this day.
Yeah.
It's cool. So, all right. Well, I think that's it. Quick little hello. How you doing? We'll catch you next time. Driver the first time.
I need the keys. Dad!
Dad, we need the keys. All right, she's all cleaned up. Dad's gonna drive her home, safety check her. A new digital frontier. Hey, see if she'll do a burnout. Too soon? All right. Have fun. Yeah, she's been sitting for 20 years, so she's going to have to clean out a little bit. Timing's set at 10 degrees, which is pretty much what all small block Chevys like. Valve seals are definitely worn out on that motor.
Hey, enjoy my AC.
Congrats, bud.
Thanks.
Let me know when you guys get home. All right, that's the real end of the video. See you next time.